Hey guys, today on Kuno DIY we're going to be replacing the air filter on a 2018 Chevy Cruze LT. So stick around if you'd like to see how we did it. Alright guys, in order to go on ahead and replace the air filter, first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to loosen this up right here, this clamp, and then we're going to want to take, there should be about 4 Phillips head screws around the perimeter of this box right here. So we'll start off with this and then we'll move on to the Phillips head screws. For this you can either use a flathead screwdriver or it is going to be a 7mm socket. And then you can pop this off right here. Now the next thing is we're going to want to go around the top of it again, and there's going to be the 4 Phillips head screws. So for the Phillips head screw locations, you're going to have, you can see that there's going to be one right here where my screwdriver is, right down here. The next one is going to be right in the back here. It's going to be right about there. And then there's going to be a third one. I don't know if you can see that down there. It's going to be right about there. Just going ahead and look around the box right there. You'll be able to see the Phillips head screws. But again, it should be, I believe, about 3 or 4 of them right here. So we'll take off this one. Now these are also captive, so I don't believe that they come out the entire way, but we will check as well here. Yeah, these are captive, so they're not going to come out all the way. So just loosen them until they come out, and you can remove the upper part of the air intake right here. Alright guys, now for your 4th bolt, so you have the 4 that are around the top right here. For the 4th one, you're going to need to disconnect this. So in order to do that, there's a little tab right here, you just squeeze it and it should lift up. And then you're going to need to disconnect it from down here and take out this whole piece. Now your 4th screw is going to be right here. Now that we have those out, we can go on ahead and remove the box, and then we should have access to our air filter. We got the air filter box apart. You got your air filter up here, and then this area you can vacuum that out and clean it all up. All right, guys. So just a little info right here for you is when you're changing your air filter, when you're taking out these Phillips head screws, if you drop your screwdriver down here, this does pop out of here. It just has some rubber tabs and grommets that click on the sides right here on the bottom. And then chances are, if you're working on an incline, it'll probably fall in way back down into there. Which I don't know if you can see it or not, but there is the handle down there of my screwdriver. So just to let you all know about that, it can work its way back there pretty good. There we go. So just be mindful of that. If you do drop a tool down in there, it may lodge back that way. Don't ask me how I know. All right, guys, now in order to get this old air filter removed, we're going to want to, there's a little tabs right here. You just want to squeeze that. And then after you squeeze it, you should be able to kind of lift up on it. And then after you lift up on it, just tilt it right on out. And that's all there is to it. All right, guys, so in order to install the new one, we're just going to install it in the reverse order that we just took off the old one. So we're just going to stick it on right there, and then this is going to go right here, and then it slides down, and those tabs will click out when you slide it down, locking it in place, so it's not going to go anywhere. And then installation is just reverse of taking it all apart right here. First thing you want to do is you're going to want to tighten this screw right here. And then once that screw is tightened on up, we can go on ahead and we can reinstall this right here. So this piece right here is going to fit right into here first. And in here, it looks like it just mates up to it. I don't know if you can see this right in here or not. So this piece right here is just going to mate up to this right here. It doesn't look like there's any tabs or anything. It's just kind of a force fit right there. So you just kind of set it on up around it like that. So you just set the front end up right around it like that. And then back here, this is what kind of holds it in right here. You just press that into the groove and it just clicks on in there. Now for this, and then lastly, you just want to tackle these three Phillips heads, 1, 2, and 3, and then you should be done. Alright guys, so that's all there is to replacing the air filter on a 2018 Chevy Cruze LT. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps out. And we'll see you on the next project. Thank you.